Good day, Divergence traders. How we all doing today? More wild action with the NASDAQ, huh? Okay, a little bit hard to trade on the 5 minute today, but there was some setups for sure. Let me just make this smaller so I can paint them up a little bit more easily. So right there like that. This is in the UK session when it starts to get this gray here. That was the opening of the UK. And this is the opening of the USA. Okay. So, our trade would have been, I don't know, somewhere you'd had to jump in there. It loves to bury itself underneath the candles. I don't know if you jumped in here, or waited to get in here. Okay, say we got in there. The stop is like 40 points. I don't think we got 40 points. 31. Well, 31's better than none, I guess. You just got to make a decision somewhere in there to take your money, right? And then we had up here high and higher high, even though we had all this stuff here. Actually, no, the next trade is right here. Sorry about that. I was trying to skip ahead or something there. There's a triple bottom. And right there, like that. See, that lines up there. That lines up here. There, you would have got long in here. See, it's easier if you squish the chart down a size, just so you can see the setups, because when it's spread all out, it's kind of, you know, it makes everything expand outward, so it's hard to see the setup sometimes. That's why I made my chart smaller. But don't worry, as soon as I finish marking them in, I shall make it bigger again, okay? So let me put the arrow on this sucker right there. I'll try and make this video short today. I guess I had a lot to say. I was talking real good. I was feeling much better. Last night too, feeling better. Even today, I feel so much better. It's like something turned the tables on me and I feel better. I believe it's God who's trying to heal me. I never really used to believe in religion when I was younger. But now after this happening to me and I'm getting better, I can't believe it's just myself that's healing. I believe God had something to do with it. And God bless all of you traders. Okay? Because I'm a believer now. I'm a believer. Praise the Lord. Okay, so the stop was 9 or 10 points. And it went up 29 points. So that's pretty cool. And then our next trade, what would it be? It's not from here. Oh, I forgot to draw in where you get in. Jason. Right there. So it's the high and the higher high. I forgot about this one. Oh, Jason, get it together. That's because I skipped to this one. That's why I didn't see this one. See? Look at that. See how that's pointing down on the OSMA? It means the price is going to come down. And it came down, motherfuckers. You motherfuckers. 40 fucking ticks, man. 40 points right there off the hop at 8 o'clock this morning. Okay? Then, what did we have? We have a double top here. I don't know. Let's spread this open now. Okay, now that's easier to see it. Here's a double top, okay, right there. And on the OSMA, what is it doing? It's pointing down. So what does that mean? It means sell it right in here if you had the balls of steel, because that was the open of the stock market right there. So if you sold it somewhere in here, you just jumped in. I know I jumped in. I was scalping it all the way down here. Boom, 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 boom. About 5 scalps. and I got my, what was it? It was 7 7.3% I made today on my account. Doing that, scalping very quickly. Anyway, it went down 68 points from just underneath this confusion right here. Okay. And if this was just a little bit less than this one, we would have a buy trade here, but we don't. Because they took it down so far, so fast, see, it's not divergent. It needs to go up like this, see? Needs to be drawn up like this, okay? And that would mean if it was pointing up, the price was going to go up. But because it's lower than the left side, there's no divergence, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? All right. And here, there's another one. Look, look. It's like, it's a double top right there. Okay? And on the OSMA, look, it's pointing down. So what does down mean? See, the price, it's already started. It's already started. It's going down. It's going down. I'm just kidding. But anyway, so if you got short underneath this thing here, yeah, down she go. Probably going to go back down to the lows, or at least it's already came here, basically. They could just buy it back up here now, because that's what they love to do. Before, in the old days, they would take it to the level, then buy it up, or take it to the level. Now they do it shyly. They do it just shy of the level, because they know there's a whole bunch of us waiting for it to touch the blue line, and here again, and here to touch this light blue line, and it didn't do it. They buy beforehand. So because they're greedy motherfuckers, and they want to take the profit that you just had in your hand, but it fucking slipped out of your other hand, and it's gone back to them now. See, look, it's gone right back up again. You know what oh, God. You have no idea how many times that happens to me. I don't fucking take it. I'm waiting for it to come down to this goddamn line, and it doesn't come, and it goes back up. And I had a nice profit, and I didn't take it, and it goes right back up again. Oh, that drives me crazy. I'm sure it happens to you too. Oh, look, look, look. They're taking it down hard and heavy. Woo-wee, here we go. Hold on your hat, because here we go. My broker used to say that to me, Tim Hannigan. You'd say, hold on to your hat, Sweezy, because here we go. Yeah, it was crazy. One of the best trades. Oh. My throat dried up. I'm sorry. One of the best trades he ever did is I had like $100 left in my account. He's there. Yeah, he's there. We're gonna get some profit out of this. And I didn't believe him. I said, what, with $100? I said, your commission is $60. How are we gonna pull that off? He goes, I won't charge you this time. I won't charge you any money. He said, we're gonna do this. And he bought this, I don't know, this way out of the fucking money option, a call option, for about $90. He paid for it. And this was just before the heat of the summer was coming, which is the key yield development time of growing corn and soybeans. Like, there's a certain point, it's like a 6-week window, 6 weeks, or maybe 8. I don't think it's more than 4 to 6 weeks. And that's when, you know, the nice warm weather comes and some timely rains and some wind, so that it'll blow the pollination from whatever that grows all the ears of corn, right? And soybeans. So anyway, sorry to go in all that, but I just thought I'd tell you that's the reason why this happened, is because he bought this call option just before the key yield development time. So anyway, I didn't believe him, and the price kept coming down and down and down, and my option was worth, I don't know, like $45 now. It was worth 90 when we bought it, and then it was worth 45, and then all of a sudden, boom, it jumped up to $5,000. Yes, I'm not shitting you, because the timely weather came and whatever, and everybody bought up, you know, corn and soybeans. This was a soybean call. And anyway, so how much is that? That's like $4,000 900% that freaking call option made. Yeah, man. Because we started with 100 and then ended up with $5,000. Those are the kinds of crazy money that you can make in the crypto market if you know what you're doing. Crazy shit. All right, that's my little story for the day. Okay, so if you don't take it, the market will. See, it's going back up again. Okay, let's move on now. Oh, yeah, there was enough trades today. I don't need to go on the 1 minute. There was a ton of them on the 1 minute, too. Let's go with the S&P. Oh, look at this. Oh, what a mess. What a mess. Oh, the first best part of today was right here on the opening. Yeah, 1630 candle right here. See, because if you got in, say you got in right there, it went down like, only like 10 points. Not very good day, but it had that same, high and higher high. And going down like that. There she be. Golly gee. But in here, I don't know what to tell you. In here, I don't fucking know. We got to move on. The Dow, what did it do? Oh, they just slammed it down on the open right here. This is the open, guaranteed. Yeah, 1630 if you look at the bottom of the chart. Okay, I don't see no trade here. It's just red. It's just... On the 1 minute, I'm sure there's some. Do you want me to go find one on the 1 minute? Oh, look at this sucker. Gets all cramped up. It's full of bugs, this MetaTrader. Yeah, it's full of bugs, all right, I'll tell you. Okay, on the 1 minute, you would have had some trades right here. Maybe not. No, there's no trade there because this needs to go down. And it's going over here at a higher mountain thingy. I don't know what to call it, shit. Okay, yeah. Anyway, if you sold somewhere in here, here's one of my, what do you call it? Here, oh, come on. Here's one of those, higher close, sell it, down it goes. So we had that trade. And we had some other ones. It's the 1 minute, you know what I mean. Like there's one right here, double top. I'll draw it in quickly so we can move on. Double top, and there's the divergence, and it's pointing down, right? So look what happened. Price went down. Gotta love it. Yeah, there's 40 points right there because it's the Dow. It has movement. Okay, that's it for the Dow. Let's move on now to the pound dollar. Oh, look at that. The news, I guess. Yeah. Or no, 1745. I don't know what the hell that was. The news was at 10, right? 1700. Not quarter to 11. Something happened here, made the pound jump up. I don't know what it is, but anyway, is this divergence? No. Level divergence, maybe. Oh, I hear the thunder out. It's going to rain. It's a real strange winter we're having here. It's not too cold, and we're not getting a ton of snow, and which is all good to me. It's all good. So if you bought somewhere in here, because if it's going up like a rocket ship, you got to jump in somewhere. You know what I mean? So the stop would have been 13 pips, and it went up 17. And I bet the euro's the same. Yeah, there's the euro. What do we have over here? Oh, something very nice. Right here. High and higher high. And from there down. Yeah. See how this is pointing down? It means the price was going to go down. All the way down. Yes, indeed. Okay, well, I got short right there. Stop was 6 pips because it is the euro. Went down 24 pips. And then we had another trade, a low and a lower low. And from right there to right there, you would have got long somewhere when the rocket took off. Because you don't want to buy it way up here. You want to buy it at least right here, where there was some rejection. Right there, buy it. Stop would have been like 8 points, pips. There's 9 pips. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio, and that's what you want. And what about the pound yen? What's it doing? Oh, very nice. Very nice. Okay. 15 minutes. Oh, first, I already marked these on here. Okay, I was looking at this. So we have hidden divergence, ladies and gentlemen, right here. Okay, to right over here like that. It's a far one. Come on, you little skank. There. So you would have got short right in here. Okay, this is the 5. No, this is the 15. So it went down 40 pips. And the stop would have been at the swing high, 14 pips. That's beautiful. Then we have the 5 minute. Let's look at that now. So we had, I don't know if this was a trade or not. This looks higher than this one, and it needs to be shorter on this one. It needs to be higher on this little mountain here. And this one looks higher. So I don't think there's a trade right here, but there was on the 15 minute. But now we're on the 5 minute, so I want to show you the setups on the 5, which is right here. Okay. Remember I told you about this little doodah? It's screaming at you to buy it. See how it's pointing up? That means the price is going to go up. And did it go up? Oh, you betcha it went up. You betcha, guys. It went up. Right there, you would have got in long. Your stop would have been at the swing low, 15.5 pips. And it went up 23 pips. And then we had another trade. Let me show you. Double top right there. And guess where it's pointing on the OSMA? It's pointing down. We put the line's pointing down. It's saying, hello, hello, we're going to go down, man. Get ready to sell. Sell, sell, sell. Yes. It would have sold it right there. Went down 27 pips, and your stop was at the swing high, 10 pips. So you got 2.5 to 1. R. R. Have you ever been to see Billy? R. Don't mind me. Okay, we got a low and a lower low. And guess what? It's pointing up this time. Up. That means the price is going to go up. And did it go up? Stop at the swing low, 14.6 pips. Did we hit our 14.6? We hit 17. We would have got our 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. And do we have one more trade where it went up here? We do, we do. Gotta love it. Yeah, it's right here. It's right here, just like that. And just like that. And would have bought it here. Went up 34 pips, man. Right up to that red line at 190.90. What a beautiful thing, eh? Right, this just right before the pivot. Went up a nice 33.9 or whatever pips. Gotta love it. That's all the trades on the pound yen, ladies and gents. Okay, we got to throw in a couple of my scalper trades here. Let's see. Okay, lower close right here. Buy it. Up it goes. One more. Lower close candle right there. Buy it right here. Up it goes. Gotta love those trades. 18 pips on that one. And on this one, it went up 25 pips on this one. Gotta love those two trades. Oh yeah, baby, baby. Yes, gotta love divergence and scalp trades. Okay, let's move on. Euro yen. Oh, nice. Really nice setups. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's another one there. Oh yeah, oh no, there's not one up here. Same on the pound yen. There wasn't a trade here, but I bet you there is on the 15. Oh yeah, there it is. How did I know that? I don't know. I got a crystal ball in my back pocket. See, right here. 5-minute chart we're looking at. Okay, we'll just... Oh, that's the wrong day, Jason. Okay. Forget that trade. That's yesterday's trade. I don't know what I was looking at. I was confused. Let's see. Back to the 5. Okay, there's no trade here to sell it. Okay, I thought there was in the 15. I was looking at the wrong thing. How quickly my eyes jilted somewhere else. Okay, so there's no trade here, but there definitely was a trade right here. Okay, but here's one of those, those buy fakes. Let me make this open up here. You see, if you drew this, actually, I wouldn't do this trade, and I know why. Okay, so here's the sell trade. Okay, let me show you. You would have got in right here. Okay, right on the opening of this candle, and I put this line here because I'm going to show you on the 15. Look, was the 5 above the 7? No. So that means you would not sell here because that was a sell fake. Okay. Okay. We got that cleared up. Okay. There was a trade. It was a buy trade. Let me show you. Low and lower low. And away we go. See how it's pointing up? Right here on the OSMA? That means the price is going to go up. Oh, don't mind me. I just discovered this a few weeks ago, and it is so good. It's like telling you, hello, this is what you need to do before the market does it. You know what's going to happen before the market does. How do you like them apples? That's what you need to make money. You need balls of steel to hold on to charts that, hold on to trades that go into drawdown. Yeah. And having this, it's just amazing. Oh, I'll just put this up here because it's another trade. Hold on. I'm grabbing the wrong shit right here. Okay. Would have got long right here. 20 pips that went up. The stop is always at the swing low, the closest swing low. Oh, well, here's the closest swing low here. But I'd be safer putting it here. 12 pip stop, and it went up 20 pips, okay? Then up here, what did we have? We had kind of like a double top, triple top, whatever you want to call it. And this comes down like this. All right. And down it went. 26 points on the euro yen. Euro yen was a beautiful thing today. And we have one last trade, ladies and gentlemen. And it's right here. Okay. You don't have to draw it to the wick, okay? Only if you want to. We can draw it to this wick. Like this. You have to tweak it sometimes, you know. You know what I mean? You still know that you would have got in right here. You still know that, right? Because you drew it from this low to this low, right? So if we put that there like that, let's see if it lines up. Yeah, that lines up, yeah. And that lines up, see? So you would have got long. I believe it's right here. And it went up how much? 26 pips. And it's pointing up, meaning we're going to go up. Gotta love that, man. Holy jeez Louise, you gotta love that. Okay. Now that we finished the euro yen, we gotta look at the gold and then the oil over there. Gold. Oh, a little scratchy wicksters. Okay. This is the 5 minute. What does the 15 look like? Oh, yeah, there's a double top right there. You see it? Double top. Sell right there. And it went down 50 pips. 50 points, pips, whatever. It was good. It was good. But then we want to look at the 5 minute, okay? And we have a... See this? 1, 2, 3, 4, banging its head off of R2. See that? But I'll put a line here for the fuck of it, right? Just like that. Look at that. Drew perfectly. Look at that. Beautiful. Just like a beautiful blonde woman with blue eyes. Beautiful. Right here. Okay? And what did this is pointing down, right? On the OSMA, the line. What did that mean for the price? What is the price going to do? It's going to go down. Down, down, down. And that's what it did. Your stop would have been up here, 20 pips. It did come back to scare you a little bit, 14 pips. But then it went down here, there's 32. Down here, there's 50. 52 pips, okay, on gold. But a very, very rough ride all the way down. It was like you were in a 4x4 in the muck. You're just mucking it out. Yeah, and down she came. Woo! Gotta love it. Okay, one last thing and we'll be done. This is shorter than the last couple days, but it's good. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, that was yesterday. So looky here. See, that one's higher than this one. So there's no selling in here. And there's no selling in here. There's no divergence here either. Yeah, that's oil for you. See, it'd be a low and a lower low, and then this would go up like this, but no. See, this is supposed to go up like this. Saying buy it, it's going to go up, right? But no, it's going like the opposite, see? So there's no divergence to buy this right here and go up. None. Zilch. Nada. Nothing. Zero. Zero divergence. However, we do have a couple lower close, buy it, up it goes. And lower close, buy it, up it goes. You know, there's nothing special about this. I'm not a guru, okay? It's just a dip in the market. It's just that I've combined this dip in the market with lower closing candles and higher closing candles when you're looking to sell. That's all this is. There's nothing special about it. I do not go on about this like I'm some guru. I just wanted to make that point to you guys, okay? I'm just someone who's been trading too long, and I know too much, but I ain't no guru, okay? And I just want to say thank you to the fella. I don't know what your name is right now. I should have marked it down. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for purchasing my divergence course. I hope it helps you to become a better trader. And yeah, thanks for your support. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, so yeah, I wouldn't have said your last name, just your first name. Okay, but so yeah, so there's oil, and we looked at gold, right? Yeah, yeah. So we're all done. We're all done, ladies and gents. Okay, so thank you so much for coming out today to watch the video, and if you could please hit the like button, it's free. There's no cost, zero cost. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I haven't got any new subscribers now. I think it's been a month and a half or something. But it is what it is. So if you're trading this afternoon, please trade safe. Good luck and good trading.